Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
Well, good evening and welcome back. We've been watching our rainbow, but it has been fading. So we're on the last little, I'd say, moments that we have with it, at least here in Providence, as we're following the trail of this band of showers. We still have a good deal of cloudiness, but we also, in Providence at least, have a good deal of sunshine too, following that rainbow. Here's where we topped out today. Once we got into some sunshine in the afternoon, our temperature sort of springboarded from that point, and we made it to 60 in Taunton, matched it in Norwood, upper 50s from Providence on north. We saw 54 in Newport, 56 over in Groton, 52 is where we topped out on Block Island, 57 in New Bedford. Just a quick peek of what is in store for us as we look further down the road. Blue skies return as soon as tomorrow. In fact, overnight tonight we're going to do some clearing, so we're going to get into sunshine right from the word go. But it does look like we're going to end our Sunday with a little bit of cloudiness. We do have a nice seasonable stretch for most of the week ahead. There is a chance of showers on Wednesday with a cold front, and we are looking at the potential of seeing some frost in some mornings ahead. So if you had planned on planting anything this weekend, you may want to put it off to next weekend because, again, we do have that frost risk. Our current temperatures are still hanging in the 50s from Providence at 54, still at 57 in New Bedford. We've got that going in Smithfield. 54 is your current Newport temp. And we do have our winds. They are behind the front, moving in from the northwest, in front of the front, moving in with a southerly component. So we can tell just by the winds that our front is setting up right here. Now, this front, by turning our winds to northwesterly, a northwesterly wind tends to dry things out for us in southern New England. So that'll be the process as we go through tonight. This, by the way, was indeed a cool front. It's got this trough or weak front that is sort of trailing behind it, and that's where that line of showers is coming from. Right now, it is taking aim at Bristol County, Mass. It will be following a trajectory from Fall River right on into New Bedford as it stands right now. So you too will see a rather aggressive shower. It's going to be brief. It's going to be intense. It will drop visibility, but it's also moving fairly quickly, and that means you're going to very quickly get into some sunshine. So I expect this to be part of like a rainbow trend moving forward through the next, say, hour or so. As we go to tonight, we're going to start to do that clearing. That'll be with us as we start early Sunday. But once we get to Sunday afternoon, we've got another weak front that wants to come through. This one here is just going to be a cloud maker for us. So if you have any Sunday plans, know that even though we will see a decent amount of afternoon clouds, we are expecting dry conditions. And then we clear out once again as we go Sunday into Monday. And Monday, by the way, looks like this. There isn't really anything to show you, and that's the whole point. A really beautiful Monday once again. We've had really good luck with Mondays lately, huh? Well, we do have the potential of seeing some rather cold starts, starting with overnight tonight into tomorrow. We are in the frost likely zone. This is for West Greenwich in particular. So again, if you have tender vegetation, newly planted plants, frost does risk killing them. So please keep that in mind. And if you're wondering, well, then when should I put my plants in? Well, these are the dates of the average last frost across our corner of southern New England. So along south coastal areas, you should be okay. But as you go to the interior, I would hold off until at least we get into the month of May. So for tonight, evening showers, then clearing in Providence will go to 37, but areas outside the city will be going closer to that freezing point. Look for winds that will turn to the northwest for all of us as we dry out. For tomorrow, we'll start with morning sunshine, then increase the clouds. Winds may be breezy at times, up to about 25 miles per hour. And then as we look through the week, more sun than not. We do have the cold front coming through on Wednesday. It will be breezy with a chance of rain that will hold on through the late commute on Wednesday. But after that, it clears and we dry right back out again. I'd say a good 6 out of 7 days are ahead.
Yeah, I would say that's a great forecast.
Yeah, very springy, pleasant, comfortable, and for the most part, dry.
And for the rain today, you know what they say, April showers bring May flowers, so
We're
I
looking
love
at
saying that.
a decent amount of flowers then.
Yes, we are, and
Yeah.
I just can't get over that rainbow. That was amazing.
Double rainbow.
Awesome.
Sweet.
Thanks, Kelly.
Sure.